Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can enable the game overlay for all of the games when you can't find it on Discord. So for instance, what a game overlay is basically when you are playing a game and then you're on a Discord channel, they'll actually show you like the people who are in the Discord channel on the top left corner of your screen. So go to user settings, and what you can do, for instance, if you can't find the like the game overlay, go to registered games, and as you can see, all of the overlays are off. Maybe for instance, I have the overlay on for only Valorant, and I can't seem to find it on any other games. I'm just going to press all of these to enable it. So whenever I play any game like Valorant or like The Sims, the game overlay will be there. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!